Hey, what's up, everybody? For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can clear your history on your Safari. So if you're using an Apple product, let's say an iPhone or an iPad, MacBook, this is how you can clear the history, cache, and cookies from Safari on your Apple device. So very quickly, what you need to do is you go to settings. To delete history, cache, and cookies, you can either go to settings, go to apps, and then click on Safari. Afterwards, you need to tap clear history and website data. This right here. And then afterwards, that would then automatically clear out all your history and website data on your Safari. Now, of course, there's another way to do this. You can either open the Safari app and then similar to that with Google, what you need to do is open Safari, select history like this one, and then just quickly select clear history. And then you can choose as well how far back you want to delete your history. So it's the same for both iPhone, iPad, or Mac. So that's how you can do it. You can either do it directly on the settings or you can do it manually through the Safari application. Hope this video was able to help you out. If it did, please don't forget to hit the like and of course subscribe button as we will be posting more tutorials only here on Telc Help Guide.